Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Instagram account disable. First of all, we will discuss the reasons behind it. The first reason for your account disability is spamming, which means you have shared a link which is spammed, and the second one is you have violated the Instagram community guidelines, and the third one is you have used an app to increase your followers or to get the fake followers. Now, without wasting any time, we will move to the solution. For the solution, I will provide you two forms which you have to fill. I will provide you that in my description of my YouTube video so that you don't have to search for it. The first form is from the Facebook, which I will provide you so that you can fill that form easily. Here is the form you have to fill. In this form you have to provide your full name, which is on your real ID. After that you have to provide your email address, and after that you have to provide your Instagram username, which is your real Instagram username. After that you have to provide your mobile number, which is on your Instagram account. After that you can also provide description that why your account has been disabled, and you will tell the Instagram that you have not violated any kind of guidelines from the Instagram, or you have not violated Instagram guidelines. After that you can click on send button and your form will be submitted. After that I will provide you the second form, which is as you can fill that form also so that your account can be deactivated as soon as possible. In this form, first of all you have to confirm that you have understand all the terms and condition. Here you have also provide your username and also email address. After that you can also provide here username, and you can also provide that description you have already mentioned in the previous form. After that you can also attach a screenshot of your problem so that Instagram can understand your matter in a better way. After that you can click on my content was removed due to violation of terms and use of Instagram. If you have not violated any kind of Instagram violation, then you don't have to click on that option. After that you can click on send button and your form will be submitted. After filling both of these forms, your problem will be solved within 1 or 2 weeks. Hope you have understand the solution. If you like this video, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.